Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool SEAT, showing you around this SEAT Ateca that we have in stock. This is the FR model. It does come with your SEAT lighting, daytime running lights. Being the FR model, it does have FR badges in and around the car. As I'm walking around the car, I'll show you every alloy to give you an idea of their condition. So this Ateca is finished in a rhodium grey. It's an ex-staff member's car from another branch, so it has been looked after very well. Quickly show you the boot. Got plenty of room in these Atecas. Got your parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy. And the seats do fold on a 60-40 split. Made easier using this lever and this lever. Give you plenty of extra room. Stepping into the driver's seat, show the interior. So you do have the FR sport seats, micro suede and leather with the red stitching. You've got this smart infotainment system that sits nice and flush with the centre console. Got all your radio sources. Got all your media sources. Got your Bluetooth hands-free audio. Voice activated control. Satellite navigation. Full link. All your driving data. If you press that button on the right hand side, it brings you back to your main menu. Got your dual zone climate control. Then you have all your power outlets at the bottom of the centre console. This car is a DSG Auto. You have a dial for all your driving modes, which do pop up on your infotainment system as you scroll through. And you do get the electric parking brake with it as well. Onto the steering wheel. On the left hand side you've got your media buttons. On the right hand side you've got your trip computer in between your speedometer. On the left indicator stalk you've got your cruise control and your indicators. And on the right hand side you've got your wipers. And just to your right you've got your dial. Stepping out of the vehicle, got the last alloy. And there we go. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. If you'd like any more information about this car, don't hesitate to contact the sales team or to provide you with a more detailed and personalised video of the car. We hope to hear from you soon.